Hi, it's Dr. Lewis Clark. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about how to beat type 2 diabetes naturally. Now, if you or someone you love is suffering with type 2 diabetes or any other type of blood sugar problems like insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome or syndrome X, the next 7 or 8 minutes may be the most important time that you'll ever have regarding this illness. Myself, Dr. Clark, I am a board-certified chiropractic physician. I'm also a certified wellness practitioner and board-certified in integrative medicine with over 24 years experience in helping people recover from metabolic problems like type 2 diabetes. So there are 4 secrets that I want to go through with you and how to handle this condition. And so first of all, I want to talk to you about the fact that drugs will not fix your problem long term. They may lower your blood sugar, they may even lower your HA1C, but they do not stop the underlying cause that is elevating these problems. So the damage is still going on inside the body. So what ends up happening over time is that you end up needing more drugs and more drugs and more drugs. And now I'm not saying stop your drugs. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying is they are not going to fix the underlying problem. The second secret that I want you to know is in order to find out what that underlying problem is, you will need proper testing. There are many other things that can be involved in affecting your blood sugar levels besides just diet. Things like stress, which elevate your cortisol levels. So your cortisol levels may need to be tested to see if that is a cause for yours. Some diabetes are autoimmune. Even type 2 are autoimmune or late onset type 2 diabetes. Some are related to thyroid problems that cause low metabolism. Some are related to liver dysfunction and glycogen breakdown. So there's a number of different things that need to be tested to see what all the factors are to make sure that you're able to make the best complete recovery. The third thing is that the secret is you can make a recovery. With the proper diet, with the proper nutritional support, and the proper neurologic treatment or whatever else may be involved, you can reverse this condition in many cases. We have patients that have gone from being diabetic for decades to being clinically non-diabetic. And it's possible for you as well if we can find the underlying problem and address that. The fourth thing is remember this, and this is critical. Metabolic problems, and especially diabetes and blood sugar problems, affect the brain the most. Your brain is the most energy-dependent part of your body. It demands 30% of all the energy your body can produce. And so therefore, if your blood sugar is off, your brain is going to lose its function more than any other area. And remember this also, 6.5. And what I mean by that is HA1C over 6.5 means that nerves die. And now I'm talking about peripheral neuropathies, numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, and pain and burning, and loss of sensation, and poor balance, and weak muscles, and cramps and spasms. All are signs of this happening. So what can be done? Well, let me tell you this. In our office, we're going to be having a special workshop here to show you that what we do really works. And I mean works in a number of weeks and not in just months or years. You can literally reverse these conditions in weeks or see tremendous improvements with the proper protocols. And so our workshop coming up in our office this month is going to be discussing how do you go about this? How do you go about finding out what the problem is? And how do you begin now to set your path in the direction that you need to go? And I'm going to do even more than that. If you attend our workshop, and by the way, our workshop is free, but the seating is limited, so you need to call our office. But if you attend our workshop and you like what we say, and it makes sense to you, and you believe that we can help you with your condition, then I'm going to offer you an opportunity to receive the first 2 visits in our office for just $35. Now, this only applies if you attend the workshop, not just seeing the video. You must be at the workshop. But if you do, this is a $285 value that I'm giving you for $35. This includes a complete examination. This includes a complete functional review of your blood work to see where the problems may be. Even though your medical doctor may have looked at your blood work and said nothing's wrong, remember, he's only looking for disease. He's not looking at function. We look at things totally different. Medical doctors look at lab values, which are averages of everybody that goes in the lab, which is really wide ranges because you got people going into the lab that are not healthy. We look at healthy ranges, which are called functional ranges. There's a difference. This is included in this fee. I will also outline a recovery program for you. And if you decide to take care in our office and work with us on this condition, our payment plans range from $280 to $480 a month. So, I want to leave you with hope and tell you that you can go to my website and look at other people that have recovered, and that's clarkchiropractic.net. And you also need to call our office at 281-354-8330 and schedule for the free workshop. Remember, it's free, but seating is limited, so call right away. God bless and have a great day.